Hi, I'm Jenny Branigan from Total Physio, and I'm here with Lifestyle Sports Bootcamp Ireland to talk about knee pain. So we're talking about the vague onset, gradual niggly knee pain that people feel in the front of their knee, around their kneecap area. Usually it's building over a couple of weeks or a couple of months, and you just tend to feel it a little bit as you start to run. It'll usually warm up and you'll feel fine during your training session, and then again it'll be sore once you're finished again. So what you're really looking for with this is you're trying to determine what causes it. Typically it's an abnormal pull on your kneecap. That can be caused by flat feet, poor alignment issues, weak gluteal muscles in your buttocks, lack of flexibility in your quadriceps muscles in the front of your thigh, or even weakness in the quadriceps muscles. Because the problem with it is, usually by the time people start to feel pain in it, you've actually had quite a bit of compensation happen around the area, and it can be quite difficult to shift it at that point. So if you start to feel pain suddenly when you're in your press-up position and you have to jump up and run around that tree, if you're feeling pain at that point, you really need to get it looked at. If you're at home and you're getting pain going up and down the stairs, again, that's when you really need to get it looked at. Ideally, if you notice the feeling at the front of your knee, you should get it sorted beforehand, but as soon as you're feeling any pain in it at all, please nip it in the bud, because the prognosis is not good if you don't deal with it very promptly. It can keep you out for a couple of weeks or a couple of months as you try to deal with all the different issues that can be going on. So what we're showing here now is Fiona just demonstrating how to foam roll your quad muscles. So it's very easy to do. And one of the main reasons for this niggly front of knee pain, anterior knee pain as it's called, is because of lack of flexibility in the quads. So we're just going to go through how to stretch your quad. So you're just bending up your knee, holding the heel up to your bum with your hand. The most important points are to remember that your knees need to stay together and your hips need to be pushed forwards. Alright, so you should feel the stretch all down the front of your quad, which is the front part of your thigh, holding it there for about 20-25 seconds. And anything you do on one side of your body, you should always do on the other, just to keep things balanced. Even if both sides aren't feeling sore, keep things balanced and stretch on both sides. Okay, Fiona, feel that?